Drawing trend lines in Metatrader 5 is a valuable skill for traders to identify and analyze market trends. To start, open Metatrader 5 and navigate to the chart where you want to draw the trend line. First, select the trend line tool from the toolbar at the top of the screen. You can do this by clicking on the trend line icon, which looks like a line with an arrow at one end. Next, click on the point on the chart where you want the trend line to start. This is usually a high or low point in the market. Then, hold down the mouse button and drag the cursor to the point where you want the trend line to end. As you draw the trend line, you will see a line appear on the chart. You can adjust the line as needed by clicking and dragging on the endpoints. To make the trend line more precise, you can use the crosshair tool to zoom in on the chart and select the exact points where you want the trend line to start and end. It is also a good idea to use multiple trend lines to confirm the trend. For example, you can draw a trend line along a series of highs and another along a series of lows. When drawing trend lines, it is best to use the body of the candlesticks rather than the wicks. The body of the candlestick represents the actual trading range, while the wicks represent the highs and lows. Finally, once you have drawn the trend line, you can use it to identify potential buy and sell signals. For example, if the market is trending upwards and the price touches the trend line, it may be a good time to buy. Conversely, if the market is trending downwards and the price touches the trend line, it may be a good time to sell. By following these steps and practicing regularly, you can become proficient in drawing trend lines in Metatrader 5 and improve your trading skills.